Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting journey of buying land with cash and turning your dream home into a reality. Stick around as we guide you through the essential steps to make this dream come true. Step 1. Finding the perfect location. The first and crucial step is to figure out your budget for the living space and additional costs. Once you have your finances sorted, start your search. Look in newspapers, real estate publications, and online platforms for available land. Don't forget to check out government websites for special residential projects. And hey, if all else fails, consider hiring a professional agent to assist you in your quest for the perfect piece of land. Step 2. Get familiar with zoning laws. Before making any commitments, research the local zoning laws to ensure you're aware of any building restrictions. Focus on the laws related to residential land, and you can find this information from your city or county government offices. Understanding these laws is crucial to avoid any surprises down the road. Step 3. Get the cash. When buying land with cash, sellers will ask for proof of funds. Be prepared with your financial documents and consider getting an official letter from your bank stating the available funds. This helps the process go smoothly. Step 4. Make an offer. It's time to put your dream on paper. Before making an offer, ensure you've asked all necessary questions about the land. Include crucial information in your offer, such as the price, location, and any contingencies. Adding a contingency protects you from unforeseen circumstances. It's your safety net, ensuring you can get your earnest money refunded if needed. Step 5. Pay earnest money. If your offer gets accepted, you'll need to show you're serious by paying earnest money. This small amount is held in an escrow account, showing your commitment to the deal. Step 6. Get a survey. Before closing the deal, hire a professional to measure and mark the corners of the land. This ensures you're getting the space you're paying for. Step 7. Confirm the title. Ensure the seller has complete authority over the land, free of any restrictions or mortgages. A title search might cost a bit, but it's an investment to avoid future issues. Step 8. Tour the land. Before closing, take a final tour. Match the findings of the survey and title insurance. Confirm all the facts and ensure all contingency conditions are met. This is your last chance for a thorough check. Step 9. Close the deal. Sign the purchase agreement to officially seal the deal. If you didn't hire an agent earlier, consider a real estate attorney to prepare official documents and confirm a clear title. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the journey of buying land with cash. Your dream home is one step closer to becoming a reality. That's all for today, dreamers. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your comments below.